throttle body. Let's see. This wagon's in pretty bad shape. Today we won't be taking care of the outside much, probably just the bumper, but let me give you a good look of the engine bay. So you got a good look of the engine bay. I'm gonna end up rolling this out and power washing the engine bay. You gotta get a slave cylinder installed. I didn't want to buy a new one, so I went ahead and found one in my storage that I can definitely use. So master cylinder is on its way. We got the clutch line here. Master cylinder's on its way. Slave cylinders here. We're gonna get all of that going so the car would be drivable, and yeah, bit by bit we'll be getting all this stuff ready. Don't know what portions are gonna be on this video, but it's definitely gonna be running today. So cleaning the engine bay and installing the clutch line will be what's on this video for sure. Go ahead and bring this in and start working on the slave cylinder, master cylinder, putting the clutch line in, getting that bled so this vehicle can actually be moved without having to rev match it everywhere I go. We got our master cylinder. I know the clevis is in the foot pedal, so we're gonna go ahead and just remove that part there, and then this is where your line would hook up to right there. I'm just dropping everything everywhere. One thing I forgot is not only do I need to put this in the slave cylinder in, forgot that I need a reservoir, and I don't have one, I believe. So I might have to run to the junkyard and grab one, which sucks because I did not want to do that, but it is what it is. Got to get the job done. This is the clutch line. Let's see what we got in here. As far as the color, I don't remember what we picked. Alright, so just black. This has been in that for months. I ordered this months ago. Just haven't had time to bring it in. I had so much stuff going on. I want to feed it the shortest route I can because I don't want to run out of space. I'm going to go ahead and take the adapters off each end. But I know the bent end goes to the master cylinder. So let's see. Get it run under the manifold. It's gonna be hard to see. You kind of make it out there, that little black line. In there, I'll grab it. Right here. Okay, so go ahead and go behind the distributor connectors. And got that nice and tight. Then I'm gonna throw the line at the other end here. We have that end done. Looks really good. Route this. That the line is not in any way of anything else, or very little. Now I just have to head over to the junkyard and grab the reservoir. So we made it to the junkyard and we spotted this thing. It's alright. It's alright. But I don't know if the owner knows that the bumper needs to go here and not in there. Oh, made it. You know, it's going to be really hard is I need, came here for the clutch reservoir. No, the master cylinder I got already. But the clutch reservoir, how hard is it going to be to find an Accord 5-speed? So, bad news. I did not find an Accord with the reservoir I need, but there is a Civic that, that's a BMW, that's not a Civic. Anyways, there's a Civic around here that has a clutch reservoir on it that I can make work. Maybe good. Out. So I got the master cylinder. Wasn't sure if that hose right there was going to be long enough. Looks like it might be, but I got it in the area. I got to get it shoved into those holes there for those studs. Let's see if I can get that going.
Just to verify that this is full, and you see it blowing the wire first, and then you see the yellow wire the second.
That's my type. That's my type.
I ain't got no type. fast cars is the only thing that I like. No.
I'm sure that's at the throttle body.
So what we got going on here, Marco?
I was driving and rev matching, showing off to a guy,
Playing around.
and lost my gas pedal. There is no cable action, but the cable is here, so it must be inside. Look how clean that engine bay looks compared to what it looked like when it came in. Looks way better, and then the outside of the car just looks great. We might have to push this all the way back. It's not even the right cable for this.
Really?
Yeah, I don't think it is. Yeah, it's definitely not the right cable for it, but we have throttle now. Worked ever since, or I'm not sure, but I'm not sure why just now it decided not to work. But we're at the shop now.